You are really struggling nowadays. What you should do? You don't know what companies are looking for. You chose finance profession and you don't know how to improve yourself. If you are having these type of questions, these type of confusion, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Waseem Ahmed from Successful Journey. Let's start the video now. In this video, you are going to learn what are the top skills a company is looking for in finance professionals. Normally, we don't think that what we should learn, where we should focus, but we just be bookish, or we just start thinking from our own mind, and we don't wear the shoes of the companies that what they are looking for. So I'm going to give you some 11 tips, and last 2 tips are very important, so stay to the video till end, and inshallah I'm very much sure that after this video your thinking will be totally changed. So the first one is you should have some Excel knowledge, you should have some ERP implementation knowledge, you should have AI knowledge, because now AI has come and it is going to replace a lot of jobs. So let me give you an example that if you have good Excel, good Power BI, good ERP implementation, you can make the system fast, automatic, error free, and the recent AI implementation is actually do not require accountant to post all the data. The AI agents, they do by themselves. I'm going to make you another video very soon how AI, how we should tackle AI, and inshallah you are going to like this video. The next one is you should be having analytical skills, and you can interpret it. For example, if you are having some data, some results, so you should explain these results, that why the results are like this, and what exactly happened in the company, so a decision maker like CEO and the board can have a good knowledge about these results. So try to focus on financial analytical things. The best thing you can do is you can take any listed company financials, start making some ratios, some of the areas where they are lacking, or maybe you can discuss with your friends, maybe you can discuss with ChatGPT, and you will learn a lot by doing this. Next one is budgeting and forecasting. This is the key of any organization, because they plan, budget is your planning, and then forecasting, they do everything on a piece of paper for the whole year and for next maybe 5 years. You should have good expertise on budgeting and forecasting, that how to make this budget in a company. You should understand their operation first, understand their operation, and then start making the budgets, break them into the sheets as per the operation, so it will help you as well as the decision makers. When I say decision makers, it means your CEO, your board of directors, so I will not repeat it again. I will say the decision makers, so just remember this thing. Very important is IFRS or GAAP knowledge. You must have IFRS knowledge, because now IFRS has been implemented very strongly all over the world, and all the companies are keen to implement this, because they have investor and they have loans, they have a lot of requirements where they must have IFRS based accounts. So if you are expert in IFRS, you should implement this. What happens that as a student, when we study, we remember this, but we after some time we forget. For you guys, I have made a new channel, Ask IFRS Expert. I'm giving you the link in the comments, so please subscribe. And this is for those who forget the implementation of the IFRS after some time. So very small videos I'm going to post on short times, and you will learn how to implement this. So subscribe this also, and share with your friends. I'm giving the link of this channel. Next one is financial modeling. This is very important area, and you must know how to make financial models of a company. If you are working in a group, so you should break it into subsidiaries, and you should highlight the performance of each company, that okay, how much the money we needed, what would be the make some SWOT analysis and present this to the board. This is very important area in your skills, and most of the companies are looking for a person who has this knowledge and who has experience of this. You know what is the problem with our accountants? We just think the number, and when we speak with the other person, we think that this guy also knows all the jargons, everything what we know. This is totally wrong. You should be business acumen. You should know that you should actually wear the shoes of each department. That okay, if you are working for operation, what they are working, what are the problems, and then you support them. Similarly, if you are talking to CEO, you think that how much problem he is facing. For example, he is telling you, okay, I want to spend a marketing budget. I want to spend on marketing for 100,000 currency units. You should not say that no, this is the expense and my bottom line will be hit. No, don't say this. Ask him that okay, if you spend 100,000, what in return you will get. So discuss this thing. Maybe he will increase the sale by 500,000, which will increase the bottom line. So think like this, and be the business acumen. Don't think a typical financial accountant, and don't act like this. One of the most important thing nowadays that business are facing is they don't realize their risk. They just start business, and immediately the business are collapse. So a CFO, or especially from CFO role, or maybe the financial accountant also should learn this, that they should make some risk analysis all the time. They should keep a strong eye on all the areas, risky areas, and highlight this to the management when you see that okay, this problem you are facing. Another thing is internal control, which is also very important. You should eye on internal controls, that okay, if there is any leakage, any fraud, anything happens, you should immediately highlight it. A CFO is an internal controller as well, so you should make sure that all the assets are safeguarded and all the systems are according to the controlled environment, not you have some leakages or some frauds. Another one is you should analyze, you should have analytical skills for data, and you should use this data and present this data to the management. Like don't show all the data, but gather some important points and you show it to the management. Nowadays a lot of AIs are working. You can find free AIs as well. You give the prompt to ChatGPT or Copilot or any other AI agent, and they start calculating for you. It will be helpful. So think to use this data in a proper way, and use this data to make helpful to make it easy and helpful to the decision makers. Another one is you should be aware of the taxation and compliance. For example, if you are coming to Saudi Arabia from Pakistan or any other country, India or any other country, so you should know that okay, what are the Saudi taxation laws. You can find it on the Google. You read the laws and you ask. Maybe you can check with ChatGPT. It will give you in a summarized way. You should know, because when you go for the interview, you should speak something about taxation as well. So the company should think that okay, this guy is fully aware of the taxation. Similarly, if you are going, for example, in investment banking, you should understand the CMA rules. This I am talking about from Saudi point of view, CMA, Capital Money Authority rules. So you should know that okay, how to make the reports for CMA, and how to comply the everything. So these things are very important, and whenever you are going for interview, you should understand this. I have made another video how to crack your interview and convert it into the job. I will give a link in the comments or in the card. Now this is about finance. Now the last two tips are very important, which I mentioned that I will discuss this in the evening. You should have a communication skill and storytelling with the numbers. What does that mean? That just don't throw the numbers to the management, or show them the horrible things. For example, the bottom line is decreased. When I say bottom line, it means net profit. The bottom line is decreased by 5% from 10%. So just don't show the negativity. You just tell them, okay, the bottom line is slightly reduced, and try to find some reasons, and then try to give a positive communication with the decision makers. Don't just to give them the negative things, because this is another problem of our finance people, that we are very harsh. We just start thinking that we get the bottom line is the key. Maybe the decrease which is 5% could have been 9% because of some reasons. So just be patient. Make an art to storytelling the numbers with the people, decision makers, and it will be very helpful to you. Last but not the least, continuously improving yourself and make yourself adaptable. Just don't keep yourself on a rigid place that okay, no, you cannot change. Be adaptive. Be comfort. Be in a mode that you can adjust yourself in any environment. So this will really help you in getting the job. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you want to discuss me on any other topic, just write it in the comments, and write down that okay, among the all above which I just told you, what problems you are facing in the comments. And thank you very much for watching this video. Till the next video, take care. Bye bye.